icons. Today's topic is comparison of numbers. With the knowledge gained from expanded form, place values, framing numbers, let's compare numbers and find out which is bigger and which is smaller number. Okay? For that, you need at least two numbers to compare, right? So these are the rules. Using these rules, you will compare the numbers. But if I directly read out these rules, you will not understand. So let me explain each rule with an example. And these are the signs for which we represent it as lesser than and greater than. Repeat after me. Lesser than, greater than. So these signs we use to compare. Okay. Now my first example is 29, 156. So 29 is a 2-digit number. 156 is a 3-digit number. Now let's read out rule number 1. Check the number of digits. Now check the number of digits. Here it is 2-digit number and here it is a 3-digit number. So it's very obvious that when there are only 2 digits, definitely a 3-digit number will be a bigger number. And obviously 29, which is a 2-digit number, will be a smaller number. Then how do you use the sign? 29 is lesser than 156, right? How do you read this? 29 is lesser than 156 because this is small number compared to this, right? One more example. 166, 51. Again, rule 1. Check the number of digits to compare. How many digits are there? 3 digits. Here, 2 digits. So, which is bigger? A 3-digit number. Which is smaller? 2-digit number. So, how do you represent this? 166 is greater than 51. How do you read this? 166 is greater than 51. So, wherever is a bigger number, there the mouth of the crocodile will be open. This is what we have seen in concept book, right? So, mouth of the crocodile will be open wherever there is a bigger number. So, in this is the bigger number. So, mouth is open towards the bigger number. Here, 166 is the bigger number. So, the mouth is open towards 166. So, this is how you have to check the digits. Now, let's take an example for rule 2. Check the highest place. To check the highest place, both the sides, the number of digits should be same. For that, my example is 2150, 6320. Okay, here also 4-digit number and here also 4-digit number. Now we can't decide which is the bigger number because both sides there are 4-digit numbers. Now then comes rule 2. Check the highest place. Now check the highest place. Here it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So which is the highest place? Thousands. So how many thousands are here? 2 thousands. And here 6 thousands. So which is the bigger one? 6320. So if you just check the highest place, you will know which is the greater number. Now, which sign will you put? Wherever there is a bigger number, open the mouth, that side. So, I have to put lesser than. So, 2150 is lesser than 6320. One more example. Fine. So, 3125, 4392. Okay, let me take here 8000. Fine. Now, again, here it's a 4-digit number, here also it is a 4-digit number. So, when there are equal number of digits on both the sides, what are we supposed to do? Check the highest places. Now, here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Again, highest places, thousands. So, here 8 thousands are there and here 4 thousands are there. So which is bigger? 8,000s are bigger. So open the mouth towards the bigger number, which is like this. This is called as greater than. So how do you read this? 8,125 is greater than 4,392. Similarly, if you take the same, like number of digits should be equal, right? Maybe take like only 2-digit number. Both the sides the digits are same. Number of digits are same. So what do? Compare the highest place. So here the highest place is tens. So here 1 tens and here 3 tens. So 3 tens is bigger. So you have to put this. 19 is lesser than 30. Right? Now for the last one. If there are same digits in both the highest places. Here the highest places digits are different. Here it is 2, here it is 6. 8, 4, 1, 3. If the highest digits are same, then what we are supposed to do? Let's see that example. 4,222, 4,835. Now, here it is a 4-digit number. This is also a 4-digit number, right? And when there are equal number of digits both the sides, what are we supposed to do? Check the highest place. Now check the highest place. This is thousands place and this is thousands place. But both the digits are same in thousands place. Then comes rule 3. When there is a same digit in both the highest places, go to the next digit. So when there is same digit in both the highest places, go to the next digit. So how many hundreds are there? So thousands are same. But how many hundreds are there? Here there are 2 hundreds, but here 8 hundreds. So which is the bigger one? 8 hundreds. So you have to put this sign. Lesser than. 4,222 is lesser than 4,835. So what did we do here? When both the highest places digits are same, we have compared the next highest place. We went to the next highest place and we compared those digits. One more example, okay? 235, 210. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. So both highest place digit is same. Here it is 2 and here it is 2. When it is same, you have to go to the next number. So next place is what? Tens place. How many tens are there? 3 tens. Here 1 ten. So which is the greater number? 235. So 235 is greater than 210. Right? Now I'll just give examples, and with all the rules we will try to find out which is the greater number and which is the lesser number. Okay? I know that you have remembered all the rules now. Fine. So my first example. 1,820, 532. What is the first rule? Check the number of digits. Now, the number of digits are different. So, apply rule 1. So, this is 4 digit and this is 3 digit. So, this is bigger, this is smaller. So, how do you write? 1,820 is greater than 532. Suppose, if both sides the digits are equal, same. Here it's 4 digit and here also it is a 4 digit number. Then what we have to do? Apply rule 2. What is the rule 2? Check the highest places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Check the highest place now. 1,000, 5,000. Which is bigger? This is bigger. Which is smaller? This is smaller. So what sign you have to put? Where the mouth should be open? Here. So 1820 is lesser than 5321. Suppose both the sides the highest place is same now. 5,000s, 5,000s. Then what are we supposed to do? Go to the next place. How many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds. Here how many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. So which is bigger? This is bigger. So 5820 is greater than 5321. This is how you will compare if it is a if there are only two numbers. Fine. Hope you all understood it. Keep learning.